The damn drone sound, I guess, is what I've been trying to do for the longest time is kind of mixing like R&B with hip hop in a way. It's been done like hella times by a lot of different people. For example, even Drake kind of does that. Like he sings his raps, you know? Even Lil Uzi or Young Thug, like a lot of people sing their raps. But what I'm trying to do is like incorporate more of R&B lyrics into rap. So like more love stories and stuff like that, more positivity rather than, you know, I don't know. There's a lot of negativity in the space of hip hop, especially in lyrics. And I'm not saying I don't contribute to that because I be talking shit sometimes too, but I try to be a little bit more positive in in the lyrics, you know.